example of chemical reaction. So yesterday we have an example of chemical reaction. For example, is the coagulation. What else aside from that one? Huh? Any other example aside from coagulation? Bernadette. Who's this one? Yes, Gabiteng.
Enzymatic browning po.
Okay, the enzymatic browning. What else aside from enzymatic browning and coagulation? Any other chemical reaction that you know? Yes, Eric, you want to raise your hand? Not.
Ah, ano po? Milk curdling?
Okay, milk curdling or coagulation. What else? Any other chemical reaction? Huh? Yes, Aldea.
Rusting po.
Very good. The rusting of metal, isn't it? That is an example of chemical reaction as well. No? What else? Huh? Aside from that one, rusting, milk coagulation, enzymatic browning. Okay? Usually the one that, oh yes, Kate Ranyola.
Photosynthesis, sir.
Photosynthesis, very good, no? Okay, so what are the reactants in the photosynthesis again? Can you give me those things? We have, yes, Micaela. What are the products? Yes, what are the reactants yesterday in the photosynthesis? Okay, so later. Go, Ranyola.
Water and carbon dioxide.
Water and carbon dioxide. Who's that facing that? Sarah? Sarah, correct? Sarah Denise Rosalan, go.
We have oxygen gas, which is O2, and glucose, which is C6H12 and O6 po.
Okay, I think the one that you're, those are the substance, no? And what are the products or what are the products in photosynthesis? Yes, Mackenzie. Huh? What is the product in photosynthesis?
Oxygen po.
Oxygen and what else? Any other? Naku, nakalimutan na. Huh? What else aside from oxygen? Yes, Gian, Biliana.
Glucose and oxygen.
Glucose and oxygen are the product of photosynthesis. Very good. Oh, see, now you're very good. You're using the raising your hand, isn't it? Oh, that's the one that I want. Okay, so that I know that I'm talking to someone. Next, aside from photosynthesis, what else? Huh? And so?
Yes po.
And so, can you give me another example aside from enzymatic browning, okay, coagulation, milk curdling, rusting of metals, photosynthesis? What else? We also have
That's it. Sir, I forgot po.
okay, Luis late, huh? What else? Rancap. What else? Okay, later to Rancap. Yes, Ren Santos. Renz, I can see only your hair, not your face. Please show your face, Renz. Lower down the camera. O, Renz, example.
Sir, I don't know po.
Oh, lower down your camera. Okay. So what else? Huh? What's the one that's your favorite if you're eating, for example, in McDonald's? Yes, Mama Riel, Pawi. Digestion, very good. Okay, there's another one. Sarah, Denise, would you mind to give that one? The last one is
The
the...
carbonated drinks po.
Okay, the carbonated drinks. Those are the examples of the chemical reaction. Okay. So, going back still under recall, what are the rules in chemical balancing or balancing equation? Did you remember? Yes, Abigail. What's number one rule?
You cannot
you cannot change subscripts, you can only put coefficient.
Very good. You cannot change subscript, but the only thing that you have to do is to change or to put coefficient. Yes, Vegas?
The second rule po is to not put the coefficient in the middle.
Very good. Do not put the coefficient in the middle. Okay, you should put that one in the first part of the compound. What else? Huh? What's the other one? Yes, Biliana.
You may never ever change the numbers that are already part of the chemical formula.
Yes, very good. And number 4, what's our number 4 rule? What's the John Arquileta? What is the number 4 rule? Okay. What's the number 4? May I hear the voice of Nathaniel?
Sir, can you repeat po the question?
Hello, Nathaniel.
Sir, can you hear me po?
Yes, a bit choppy a while ago. But what's the number 4 rule in balancing equation?
Sir, sorry po, I forgot.
Okay. What's the number 4? You forgot already? Okay. Yes, Jody.
Can you hear me po, sir?
Yes, loud and clear.
So, the rule number 4 is you may never change numbers that are already part of the chemical formula po.
Okay, very good. So just to have the recall here for the balancing equation, always remember that rule number 1, you may only add coefficients when balancing chemical equations. And you have to remember, coefficients are the numbers that go in front of a molecule. Okay, for example, this one. Number 2, coefficient do not go in the middle. They always must be in front of the entire molecule. So left side is correct, while on the right side, that is very wrong. No? Number 4 or number 3, okay, you may never ever add subscript or parenthesis or anything other than coefficient to a chemical equation to balance it. If you want to say that there are 2 water molecules, you could write it like this: 2 H2O, and not to put 2 on the oxygen part. Okay? Because it will be different, the compound. And number 4, you may never change the numbers that are already part of the chemical formula so that you can balance already the chemical reaction or equation. Now, at this moment, no, during a chemical reaction, the substances that react are known as the reactants, whereas the substances that are formed during a chemical reaction, this known as the products. Remember, reactants always on the left side, while on the product, it is always on the right side. Now, by the way, I forgot something. If it is balanced already, meaning to say that chemical equation undergo the law of conservation of mass. And what do you mean by law of conservation of mass? Huh? John Adrian and Luis and Tabitha, please turn on your camera together with Denzel. So what do you mean by law of conservation of mass? Huh? Yes, ano yun?
It states that the matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction.
Okay, very good. What else aside from that one? Okay. Yes, the reaction should be equal to the product. Yes, Sarah. Sarah Marie Anabo.
The number of atoms and elements, both different after the arrow, are the same.
Yes, very good. Okay, so that is the law of conservation of mass. Always remember, the mass of the reactant is always equal to the mass of the product. Okay, so next, let's go to this part. Okay, so let us now proceed with the types of chemical reaction. By the way, any question regarding balancing equation? Thumbs up if it is clear already to you. If you know already how to balance, please do the thumbs up. Okay. If you are confused with the balancing equation, please let me know so that I can teach you. Because you know that next week will be your exam and this is really included. Okay, so that I can teach you properly. You want that this coming Friday, let's have the review. Okay, let us see. If you are very active today, then we will have the review. Okay, next. These are the types of combination, or these are the types of chemical reaction. Number one is the combination reaction. Number two is the decomposition reaction. Number three, single replacement. Number four, double replacement. And number five is the combustion reaction. So what are the difference of these types of chemical reaction? Let's start with the combination reaction. So combination reaction, these are the two or more compounds combined to form one compound. Okay, so for example here, always remember this formula. A reacts with B, produce A and B. So meaning to say, with that two elements, if you will combine, that's why from the word combine, no, it is a combination reaction. Okay, so another one. Okay, for example, here, not in real life. Okay, so the other one is your girlfriend and the other one is the boyfriend. And after that one, they will be together. That is an example of the combination reaction. Okay, gets boy plus girl, then that will be what? Couple already. Next, decomposition. Okay, so in decomposition, according to the song, gusto ko nang bumitaw. That's the song. Why? Because from A and B together, they will be separated. Break up already. No? So the opposite of the combination reaction, a complex molecule, breaks down to mix simpler ones. For example, okay, here is the formula. AB, okay, produce A that reacts to B. Okay, so that's the example. So in the composition, look at this, no? So Mickey Mouse, at first they are together, but after that one, they are separated. I don't know what's their problem. Okay, or for example, to boyfriend and girlfriend, no? They are separated because when the time that they are together, they found out that what? Okay, pare, mahal mo raw ako. Okay, so that's the one, ha? Okay, so remember, if it is combination, meaning to say they are together. If it is decomposition, meaning to say break up, you have to remember that one. Okay, that's the Q term, no, for the decomposition. Okay, next. What's the third one? The third one is what we call the single replacement reaction. Okay, the elements react by replacing another elements in a compound. The product is therefore a new elements and a new compound. Okay, here is the formula. A plus B and C produce AC plus B. Meaning to say, for example, this is only an example, no? Jake and Maui are together. Okay? And then suddenly, this Nathaniel enter in the relationship. Then at the end, no, it will produce what? Nathaniel and Maui are together. Then Jake is already set aside. Or we can have it maybe at the end, the product will be Jake and Nathaniel are together. Then Maui set aside. No? No, joke only that one. Okay, that is an example of the single replacement reaction. Gets? So meaning to say, in the single replacement reaction, there will be a third party. No? Nakakainis talaga yung mga ano na yan eh, yung mga third party na yan. No, nanggugulo ng relationship. Isn't it? No? Sino ba yung mga third party? Sasako ko kayo dyan eh. Okay? Isasako. Okay. Usually that's the trending in the what's this teleserye this time, no? Those third party, they are keep on projecting in the television the single replacement. That's why if you are watching teleserye, you will notice, that's the one that Sir Alex is telling, single replacement. Or for example, no, Kuya Eloy, not Kuya Eloy, or Eloy Borja together with Ali. And then, who's the other one? The Yaya? Sino yung Yaya doon? Okay, si Gemma. Is it Gemma? Isn't it? So, maybe Eloy, if Eloy and Gemma are together, then Ali set aside. And that is an example of single replacement. Are you watching Too Good to Be True? Not. Of course, you are watching Korean. Miss Maria Tabita Austria, please tie your hair properly. Okay? Next. Okay, so that is single replacement. Always remember that one. Okay? So, another example here. Oh, this is the one that I'm telling. Okay? For example, A is single, then B and C are together. And then suddenly, no, after that party, A and C are together, then, who's the left one? Letter B, umuuwing luhaan. Okay? So, that's the problem. Okay? So, don't do that one, my dear people of the Philippines, especially girls. Don't play with the don't play with the feelings of the boys. Same with the boys. Don't play with the feelings of the girls. Okay? So that's the one, Okay, you have to be loyal. It should be combination. But of course, at this moment, you have to focus first to your study. No? Okay? Next. Let's get it on with the double replacement. With the double replacement reaction, we have the chemical reaction in which ions get exchanged between two reactants which form a new compound. For example, A and B are together, okay, and CD, okay. Then the reaction is A and D are together, then C and B are together. So for example, Gian Biliana, no, and Eric Jacob. Then on the other hand, Alcide and Antoinette. And then they're having the group dates, for example. Then after that one, okay, you will notice that Gian and Alcide are together. Correct. Gian and Alcide are together, then exchanged with Antoinette and Eric Jacob. So that's the one. Okay? So, but in real life, cannot be, Okay? So that is what we call the double replacement. Because you cannot tell, uy, palit naman tayo ng girlfriend. No? Isang araw lang. Cannot be that one. Okay? So, next. We have here an example of the double replacement. So, this is the one that I'm telling to you a while ago. Okay? Next. The last one, I forgot. No? I forgot to put the combustion. When we say combustion, meaning to say, always remember this one, combustion, the product is always water and carbon dioxide. Okay? Again, if it is combustion reaction, the product is always H2O and CO2. Okay? If we're talking about combustion reaction. Last time I'm seeing in the sit work that you really get the combustion. So you're very good with that one. So this time, who's this one? Tamayosa. What happened to you, Tamayosa? It's already 7:53. You're late. So here, For example, no? C plus S8 produce CS2. Okay? What is this types of chemical reaction? Oh, you can use your microphone. I turned on already the chat box. You can also answer in the chat box this time. So guess the types of reaction of this one. Yes, Abby.
Combination reaction.
Combination reaction. Very good. This is a combination reaction. What about this one? Please check. Again, you can type your answer in the chat box. Okay. According to Pavi, single replacement. Yes, Maynard. Maynard?
Single replacement po.
Okay, single replacement reaction. Very good. Okay, what about this one? This is? Check. What types of chemical reaction this one? Okay. Yes, Madeline. Madeline Villanueva.
Double replacement reaction.
Double replacement reaction. Very good. Thanks for those who are keep on answering in the chat box. Very good, boys and girls. This is double replacement reaction. Teacher, why did you say that this is double replacement reaction? Look at the aluminum. Okay, aluminum oxide, no, they are together, and then in the product side, aluminum and sulfate are now together. Okay, you get the point? So that's why double. And here, hydrogen gas, okay, is together with the sulfate. Okay, then after that one, hydrogen, the pair is oxygen already. Okay. Next, what about this part? This is okay. Yes, Aldea.
Double replacement reaction.
Very good. So this is double replacement reaction, or sometimes we're calling it an acid-base reaction. But never mind the acid-base. This is double replacement, because if it is acid-base, usually there is water, no? And the other one is metal or NaCl. Okay. Next, what about this one? Oh, this is a type of chemical reaction. What is this one? Look at the product. Very good. This is a combustion reaction. Look at the product. No, the one that I'm telling to you, carbon dioxide and water. No? Carbon dioxide and water is the product. So it is categorized as the combustion reaction. Let us have the last one. I think I gave already this one. Not yet. This is an example of, yes, very good. No, this is an example of decomposition. Okay. So, question about the different types of chemical reaction.
Sir, may I ask?
Yes po.
In the decomposition reaction po, what is the reactant and then what is the product po?
In the decomposition,
Yes po, sir.
in the decomposition, going back to this types of chemical reaction, as long as they are separated, then that will be decomposition. For example, please wait, because I removed already the PowerPoint. Where's the PowerPoint? Quiet. Okay, I hope you can see this part. No? In the composition, okay, is it visible in the PowerPoint?
Yes po, sir. Yes.
Okay. So in the composition or decomposition, at first they are together. Now, the cue is they are separated in the product side. Okay? Then in the combustion, the product is always carbon dioxide or CO2, then H2O. Teacher, what if the product is only water? Then if the product is only water, we cannot categorize that one as combustion. Teacher, what if the product is only carbon dioxide? Then that is not combustion. You check. Maybe different types of chemical reaction. Teacher, what if water and other product, and that is acid base? Anyway, I will not give anymore the acid base, no, because it will be added to the types of chemical reaction. Only the combustion. Okay? Is it clear, Abby?
Yes, sir.
Okay, question or clarification with the grade 10? Any question? Is it clear? Can we have the quiz already? Allah, early in the morning quiz. No, joke only that one. No? Okay. We will not have the quiz, of course. You know that I really love you, 10A. Ay, Kevin! Maaga pa sa hapon na. What happened to you, Kevin?
Sir,
Ah?
sorry po, I first left. I'm not feeling well po kasi.
I'm not feeling well. Me also, I'm not feeling well, but I'm not late. Come on, Kevin, ha? That's the last already. Okay, so let us answer this one. Okay, please wait. I'll check first my PowerPoint if I have an example here. Because I think I have, no? I don't know if this is the one or this is the one that I asked you to answer last time. Okay, so presenting to you the activity last time. I don't know if the others are really done with this answer. Please wait. Almost lobat already my laptop. Okay, let us answer your activity last time regarding with the different types of chemical reaction. Okay, please wait, guys. So in our activity last time, no, the first one that I gave is to what is this one? To balance. Then after that one, okay, the second activity, no, the next day, I asked you to use that given, no, in the balancing equation, but you need to categorize what types of chemical reaction is that. No, so the one that we will answer this time is activity 1.6. But as I notice, Von Tamayosa, Thea Del Val, and Gabero is not yet answering. So automatic as we answer this one, this three will be invalid already the answer. I'll do the screenshot of this one because they did not pass. Okay? So Vince Tamayosa, I think you're forgetting. Vince Tamayosa. Von, Andre Tamayosa, you're forgetting your task already. Where's Gabero? Okay? So, not this one. I hope next time the activity. Okay, let us answer this one. Okay? You can see, people of the Philippines. Is it clear? Okay, let us try number 1 given. Okay, what is the answer in number 1? Okay, anyone from the group who can answer? What is number 1? You can type your answer in the chat box, guys. Okay, Gian, combination, Pawi, combination. Okay, very good. So the answer in number 1 is what? Combination reaction. Teacher, what if I put only combination? Correct. Okay, in the exam, teacher, can we put only combination? Correct. Teacher, can we put only reaction? Wrong. Because all that one is reaction. But you have to identify what type of reaction is that. Okay, so number 1 is combination. Very good. Okay, number 2. Number 2, may I ask Antoinette to answer? Antoinette, what's the answer in number 2? Again po?
My answer is combination.
Combination. Very good, Antoinette. Okay, number 3. Jake, what's the answer?
Ano po, single replacement po.
Very good. Single replacement. Next, number 4. Lakatan. What's the answer? Lara, look at number 4 given. K plus B are 2.
Reaction, sir.
Okay, combination reaction. Number 5. Mackenzie, number 5, what's the answer?
Double replacement.
Look at the product.
Combustion po, sorry.
Yun. Okay, that's combustion because the product is carbon dioxide and water. Although it's kinda double replacement, but look at the number of elements on the reactants. It has only carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So it's only 3. Then on the product side, carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. But there are 2 already. No? Okay. Next. Okay. So that will be combustion reaction. Number 6. Princess. Stanislao. Stanislao. Princess.
Combination.
Combination reaction. Very good. Number 7, may I hear the voice of Dingal? Ayun, kakapasok lang, tulog na naman. John Marlon Labares. Okay, number 7.
Sir, sorry po. Single replacement.
Kevin, please turn on your camera, ha? Okay, number 7 is single replacement. Okay, number 7 is single replacement. Number 8. Number 8, given, may I hear the voice of Maria Ana Regina?
Sir, decomposition po.
Decomposition, number 8. I think you have to check. Okay, let us see. KClIO2. Yeah, okay. It's a bit confusing, no? Okay, so this is an example of what? Decomposition. Although at the end, only oxygen is the one separated. But still, it is considered as the decomposition because it's separated the oxygen gas. Okay, next, number 9. Number 9, Renz Santos. Renz, promise, if I can see you face to face, I cannot remember your face because you keep on showing only your eyes going to your hair. Renz, what's the answer? Number 9.
Combination po.
Okay, so for the number 9, it's combination. And the last one, number 10. What is the answer? Who's the one not yet talking here? Huh? Gab, Biteng.
Single replacement po.
Single replacement. Very good. Is it clear already the types of chemical reaction? Huh? Clear? I hope it's clear, no? Everything to you. Any question with the balancing and chemical or types of chemical reaction? Huh? We still have time, no? Because our time is up to 8:40. Would you mind to discuss again another topic so that by Friday, let's have the review already? Would that be possible? By the way, our quiz number 4 and quiz number 5, I'm going to give that one during or after the exam already so that it is still fresh to you, the one that you review. Would that be possible? Or you want I'll give already the quiz later on, then you will answer? Or you want after the exam? Because, isn't it, if it is offline, that's the time that I'm giving you an activity. I'm not giving an activity if it is online days. Remember? So, what do you want? You choose. Would it be possible that I'll give later or maybe after the exam? Choose letter A or letter B. A, I'll give already the quiz. B, after the exam. What letter? C? You want letter C? Letter B, after the exam. After exam. Okay. So after exam, you'll have your quiz number 4 and number 5. What is quiz number 4? That's all about balancing. Quiz number 5, that is all about the types of chemical reaction. So meaning to say, if I'll give one problem, automatic, that is equivalent to 40. Why? You need to balance and you need to identify. Okay, guys? Huh? Okay, any clarification regarding with our topic, balancing and chemical reaction and types of chemical reaction? If none, then I'd like to ask, how is your performance task? Huh? I saw already, no, the one to Carl Justin. Is Carl Justin around? No? There, to Villamor. I can see already, no, their performance tasks. Okay, very good because they're very creative. Okay, then already 5 because last time I only saw 2. Mackenzie is done also. Very good. Parang pare-parehas kayo. Teka lang. Because this is groupings, I remember. Okay. Ay, siya nga pala. Okay, very good. The one that you made, no? If you are group mates, make it sure that all of you will submit the magazine. Okay, very good that one. So that no one will be left behind. Okay? So that I know that that is your group mates. Okay? So did this group or the members contributed really individually? Did you contribute individually? Huh? Who's the leader of this group? Mackenzie, did they contribute really?
Yes, sir.
All of them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No one really, I will just pay and then you make Canva for me like that.
Not that I know of, sir. If they need help, they ask me po.
Okay, very good. So congratulations. Let's give 5 virtual clap to the group of Mackenzie. Very good. No, early bird. Congratulations. So I hope the others will submit already their pet performance task. Anyway, that is until October 10. No, you can submit your performance task until October 10 if you are very busy. Okay. Any question regarding with the topic? We still have time up to 8:30, so I can still have time. Sir, will you send po the PPT per day exam? 100% yes, Nathaniel. After this lesson, all the PowerPoints that I discussed will uploaded in the stream. Okay, just check. But it will be PDF form. Okay? I know that some of you doing the, sir, we can pass until October 10 but we will have minus po. Opo. When is the deadline of this one? Huh? October? Opo, October 8. So I'll wait until October 8. If you want to submit October 10, then there will be deduction, of course. That will be the extended one. Meaning to say, if you cannot submit on October 10 or October 8, the last passing will be October 10. But if you, of course, PLPT, for example, the work of Mackenzie, I give this point. And then suddenly I noticed the last one who submitted is more beautiful rather than the first one. Of course, I cannot give high grades to those who submitted late rather than to those who submitted early because it's so unfair. Okay, so that's the one. So if I were you, do not reach October 8 to submit. No? Okay, if you're done, you can submit it already. Okay, we'll wait for that one, huh? Okay, question. Question? No one? No more? Promise? It's very early, no? That we finished already. I want to discuss already the biochemistry, no? Please wait. Let me have this one. By the way, for those who are not yet having the quiz, okay, please wait. Activity 1, I'll go for your August 26. There are some students who are not yet submitting. We have here Patrick Abila. Please check ha. This activity is what we call sit work, August 26, Friday, about the converting. No? We have Patrick Avila, Cruz Denzel, Andre Tamayosa, and Thea Del Val. Allow me to present this one so that you can see. Okay? So here are the following students who are not yet submitting. Patrick Avila, Cruz Denzel, Von Tamayosa, and Thea Del Val.
Sir, I did that one, but I did not hit the submit button because I do not know what to put there.
What I do not know what to put there.
The work.
Okay. Hoy, Carl, good morning. Maaga ka pa para bukas. We're done with our topic types of chemical reaction and now only now you entered. Super late. Okay, next. Let's go to other activity, Okay. Next, for activity 1, Boy's Law, still one who's not submitting, Thea Del Val. To Ralph Rodrigora, I don't know what is happening to Ralph. I think this one is here. This is the given. Okay, activity 2, Boy's Law also. This one, here. Quiz number 1. This one is not yet taking the quiz, correct? Denzel Cruz, Von, Andre Tamayosa, and Thea Del Val.
I took the quiz po.
You took the quiz but you forgot to do the screenshot, Denzel, correct?
Yes.
What about Bon Andre Tamayosa? Is Tamayosa around? Sorry, sir. I overslept. Wala, my mother had... okay. I'm talking about to Andre Tamayosa. Andre, Nat? Okay, so this is the one na. Please do the screenshot. I gave already the score. After this discussion, will give you also, I will return already the quizzes, no? To you, the soft copy. That's why I want to finish already those who are not yet taking the quiz because there are some who are not yet taking the quiz. That's why I don't like to give the this one. Quiz number 2, there are some who are not yet taking. Andre Tamayosa, Val, Thea, and Regina, Maria Ana. Did you take the exam?
Sir, I take the exam but I forgot to hand in my screenshot po.
Bon Andre. Andito ba si Bon? Bon is not talking. Is still sleepy? Or not? Okay. Next, we have, after that, quiz number 2, practice exercise. Still, there are 4 who are not yet submitting. Carl Leal, Ralph Rodrigora, Andre Tamayosa, and Thea Del Val. Para naghahabulan si Thea Tamayosa. Thea and Andre Tamayosa. Do sa mga walang activity. I'm letting this one to show to you so that you will know. Ideal gas. There's still were not yet submitting the ideal gas. Carl Leal, Andre Tamayosa, and Val. Carl, I think you're running for third runner-up, Okay. First place and second place competing Andre Tamayosa and Val. It seems that you want to follow the footstep of these people. Carl, I'm telling you. Performance task, well, I guess there's already. Quiz number 3. This Rodrigora and Val took already the quiz number 3. Rodrigora is absent. Who's the secretary taking the...
Wala po sa meet si Del Val, Tamayosa, pati si Rodrigora.
Gagaling. Very good. Kawawang mga bata. Balancing equation. May dalawa pang hindi nagpapasa. Vince Tamayosa din at si Val. Napakagaling. I thought Carl is included here. Okay, then the last one, our activity is the types. Although we answered already. Okay, here they have 3. Andre Tamayosa, Val, and Gabero. The rest, congratulations. The only lacking is the performance task. But the group of Mackenzie, congratulations because job well done, complete. Nabunutan kayo ng isang tinik. Tapos ang science. The only thing is the exam. Carl, I woke up like this. Look at your uniform. You fix that. Ha? May padibdib ang Carl? You fix yourself? Come on, look at yourself po. You woke up like this only? Carl, ha? The activity, please check. Ha? Even